I like how the pancakes are very easy to flip. Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this CUSIMAX Indoor Smokeless Grill. So this is going to be a product overview video. So let's get into it and let me show you what this product brings, how it works, and then I'll give my overall feedback at the end. This is how the Smokeless Grill looks. Here's your power button. And this button right here is to change the temperature out of what you're cooking at. And here's the display to show you how hot that the product is. It comes with this glass cover. It has a rubber here on the bottom just to insulate everything. It has a griddle pan, so you could fry eggs, make pancakes, cook anything on here using the griddle. Here's your heating element right here. And this is your oil drip pan to put it back. And then it also comes with the grill pan right here. So it's very easy to put on. You just press it like so, and then you're ready to cook. And take it off, you grab it by the handles when it's cooled off, and then you could put your griddle pan on top. So it's very easy. It also comes with some metal tongs right here, and then here's your power cord. So let me show you how to cook with it. It is recommended by the manufacturer that when you first use it, you should run it up to 450 for a few minutes just to burn off any of the residual oils and to get rid of the smell. And I even place a small amount of oil and I spread it around the surface. A great benefit with this indoor smoker is you could reduce the amount of smoke that comes out using the turbo fan, and all the smoke will come out here. You can see the big difference how the turbo fan works. You see the smoke coming out here when I turn the turbo fan. All the smoke goes away. Okay, so I'm gonna be making some pancakes. I like the size of the griddle pan because I could cook about 8 pancakes at once here. I like how the pancakes are very easy to flip and they cook evenly throughout the whole surface. Pro tip, it's better to cook in the middle of the pan versus on the edges. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description and you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great indoor smokeless grill. I like how easy it is to set up, and I also like how you're able to use the griddle and the grill feature. I like how well that the turbo fan eliminates the smoke that comes out when you're cooking the food. I also like how this pan keeps all the heat inside here while it's on. And I like how it's very easy to change the temperature and how fast that the temperature goes up. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.